All right, check this out. This right here appears to be a Bluebird All-American FE from the 1990s, the version right before the A3. Bus 27 from Shoreline School District number 412. I wonder if that's out of state. That doesn't really sound like an Ohio school district name. Yeah, this is near High Street and I think 14th and 15th Avenue by OSU campus. I'll give you guys a look at the front too. Let's look at it from this side. Right. You guys will see the front. Might be a little hard to see, but yep, there you guys go.